The 2026 Mini Cooper Oxford Edition is a special anniversary edition released to mark the 25th anniversary of the production of the modern Mini generation at the Oxford factory, run by BMW Group. The special series is designed to highlight the brand's rich British heritage and combine iconic style with cutting-edge technology under the name Heritage Edition. This is due to the fact that in North America, the designation Oxford Edition is already assigned to the permanent budget basic package. The design of the novelty is built around bright accents, referring to the British identity and motorsport history of the Mini. A large Union Jack graphic print is spectacularly placed on the contrasting white roof, which is why the model has lost its panoramic sunroof. An expressive three-color racing stripe in red, white, and red colors stretches along the center of the body, emphasizing the dynamic character of the hatchback. 3 exclusive shades are offered for the special version: classic red, chili red, and 2 metallic blues, indigo sunset blue and blazing blue. The look is completed with white mirror housings and 18-inch two-tone slide-spoke alloy wheels with original center caps. The Jubilee Mini is strictly available in the format of a 3-door hatchback, F66, while remaining faithful to the canonical form of the model. The interior continues the British concept and is distinguished by thoughtful detailing. The Union Jack flag is embossed on the steering wheel, and the mats bear themed patterns. The driver has a round anniversary emblem, and the front passenger has racing checkered graphics. The equipment includes a modern 9.4-inch round OLED multimedia display with support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a projection display, HUD, and a premium Bang & Olufsen audio system. The seats, with a combination of artificial Vesson leather and fabric, have a sporty profile and are heated, as is the steering wheel, which increases comfort in cool weather. The technical part is based on the units of the new generation Mini. The manual transmission was abandoned in this version. The torque is transmitted to the front wheels via a 7-speed dual-clutch robotic transmission, DCT. The engine range includes 2 petrol versions: Cooper C with a 2.0-liter BMW twin-power turbo engine and a more powerful Cooper S. It develops 201 HP and 221 Newton-meters of torque, allowing to accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour, about 5.7 seconds. Pricing policy and delivery dates vary by region. In the United States, under the name Heritage Edition, the special version is offered exclusively in the top-end Cooper S modification, with the maximum set of options, at a recommended retail price of $40,620. Orders are already open, and the first cars will arrive to customers in the fall of 2026. In Europe and the UK, as the Oxford Edition, sales will start in September 2026, with buyers able to choose between the Cooper C and Cooper S versions. In the UK, the base price of the Anniversary Special Edition starts from £30,120 sterling, which at the current exchange rate corresponds to about €35,500 to €36,000. Did you like the car? Friends, subscribe to the channel and like it.